Unlocking Wisdom: The Benefits of Understanding the Nature of Things by Sayajin Health. Have you ever wondered why things are the way they are, or pondered the meaning of life? These are questions that have intrigued humans for centuries, leading to the development of philosophy. Philosophy is the study of fundamental questions about existence, knowledge, values, reason, mind, and language. While it might seem abstract and esoteric, having a general philosophical understanding of the nature of things can bring about a host of practical benefits in our everyday lives. Philosophy encourages critical thinking, which is the ability to evaluate and analyze information objectively. By delving into philosophical questions, you develop the skills to question assumptions, recognize fallacies, and make better decisions. This skill is valuable in various aspects of life, from problem-solving at work to making informed choices in your personal life.